Hello everyone! I'm so glad you're here with me today because we're about to embark on a journey that's all about celebrating you and the skin you're in. It's Dr. Oz, and today we're talking about the incredible story your skin tells every single day. Every line and crease is a part of your life's journey. Laugh lines from joy, worry lines from caring, and even those little marks that come from years of experience and wisdom. Many of us wish we could turn back the clock just a little to match how vibrant and energetic we feel inside, even as the years go by. There's nothing wrong with wanting to look your best. Caring for your skin is self-care, and it's a way to honor yourself and your well-being. But what if the best secrets for beautiful, glowing skin aren't found in expensive creams or fancy bottles, but right in your own kitchen? Today we'll unlock a simple, natural way to help your skin look smoother, healthier, and more radiant, no matter your age or skin type. We'll learn why lines appear, what causes them to deepen over time, and most importantly, what we can do about them using gentle, natural methods. It's not about erasing your story, but nourishing your skin so it can be its healthiest, most vibrant, and most radiant self. Think of it like tending a garden. When you give your skin the right nutrients and care, you'll see it blossom and thrive, just like your favorite flowers. This is about empowerment, safe, affordable, and easy for everyone, no matter your background or experience with skincare. We're diving into natural skincare, focusing on two simple ingredients, rice and olive oil, that have been trusted for generations around the world. Nature often holds the most powerful solutions, and I'll show you how these kitchen staples can help you achieve smoother, more youthful-looking skin without harsh chemicals or complicated routines. So, let's get started on this exciting path to revealing your most beautiful skin yet. You deserve to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin every single day. It's time to open up your kitchen pharmacy and discover the beauty secrets that have been waiting for you all along. First, let's understand wrinkles. Those tiny lines and creases that seem to appear out of nowhere as we get older. Why do they show up as we age, and what's really happening beneath the surface of our skin? When we're young, our skin is packed with collagen and elastin, two essential proteins that act like the scaffolding and springs of our skin, keeping it firm, plump, and bouncy. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less of these proteins. This gradual decline means our skin slowly loses its structure and elasticity, making it more prone to sagging and wrinkling. Imagine a mattress losing its stuffing and springs. It starts to sag and crease just like skin that's lost its youthful support. But it's not just time that's to blame. Sun exposure is a major culprit. Ultraviolet, UV rays from the sun break down collagen and elastin much faster than normal aging would. That's why sunscreen is so important, not just for beach days, but every single day, rain or shine. Lifestyle choices matter too. Smoking, lack of sleep, and high-sugar diets can all speed up the aging process, making wrinkles appear earlier and more pronounced. As we age, our skin also gets drier, which makes wrinkles look even deeper and more noticeable. Dryness can be caused by both internal changes and external factors like harsh weather or over-cleansing. Think of a grape versus a raisin. The raisin is wrinkled because it's lost moisture. Our skin behaves in a similar way when it's dehydrated. That's why hydration is key in the fight against wrinkles. Drinking enough water and using a good moisturizer can help your skin stay plump and smooth. Wrinkles are the result of a mix of natural aging, environmental exposure, and lifestyle habits. Genetics also play a role, but you have more control than you might think. Understanding these causes helps us make smarter choices and fight back against premature aging. Now let's see how we can nourish our skin and slow down this process with natural, effective solutions that support your skin's health from the inside out. It's not about stopping time, but about giving your skin the care and attention it deserves so you can feel confident at any age. With the right habits and products, you can keep your skin looking its best, glowing, and healthy, no matter how many candles are on your birthday cake. Let's move on to our natural solutions and discover how you can embrace aging beautifully. Now for the exciting part, our two secret weapons, rice and olive oil. These ingredients have been used for centuries in beauty routines around the world. Rice is packed with antioxidants like ferulic acid, which protect your skin from damage. It also contains inositol, believed to promote cell growth and boost circulation for a healthy glow. Olive oil, the Mediterranean's liquid gold, is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins E and K. It deeply moisturizes, locks in hydration, and helps repair the skin. Together, rice and olive oil offer gentle exfoliation, deep hydration, and powerful protection. This combination can improve elasticity, reduce fine lines, and give you a radiant complexion. It's a simple, effective partnership, nature's answer to smoother, healthier skin. Let's see how to make this work for you. Ready to become your own skincare chef? It's easier than you think, and you'll love how simple and rewarding it feels to create something nourishing for your skin right in your own kitchen. You'll need just 2 basic ingredients: half a cup of uncooked white or brown rice, whichever you have on hand. Both work beautifully, so use what's available. And 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it's extra virgin for the best skin benefits, as it's packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. Start by cooking the rice with 2 cups of water. Let it simmer gently until it's very soft and mushy, no salt or additives needed. The goal is to get the rice as soft as possible so it blends easily. Once the rice is cooked, drain it and be sure to save the rice water. Don't throw it away. Rice water is a hidden gem. It makes a fantastic toner for your skin, helping to soothe and brighten your complexion. Let the cooked rice cool for a few minutes. Once it's cool, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the rice and blend them together until you get a creamy, smooth paste. This step is where the magic happens. If your mixture feels too thick or dry, simply add a bit more olive oil to help it blend better and give your mask a richer texture. Or, for a lighter feel, add a splash of the reserved rice water. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, with a consistency similar to thick yogurt. And that's it. Your homemade wrinkle-fighting face mask is ready to use. It looks creamy and feels luxurious. The best part? You control every ingredient. No harsh chemicals, just pure, natural goodness that's gentle on your skin. This mask is not only simple to make, but also incredibly affordable and effective. You don't need fancy products to get glowing skin. By making your own mask, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to thrive. And you'll notice the difference after just a few uses. Plus, the process is empowering and fun. There's something special about creating your own beauty treatments from scratch. Now let's talk about how to use your new mask for the best possible results and a true spa-like experience at home. Get ready to pamper yourself with this easy, natural treatment. Your skin will feel refreshed, nourished, and deeply cared for. Your skin will thank you for this little act of self-care. You've made your mask, now let's use it for maximum benefit. Start with a clean face. Wash with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. For better absorption, your skin should be slightly damp. Apply the mask evenly with your fingertips or a soft brush, avoiding eyes and mouth. Use gentle upward circular motions to stimulate blood flow. Apply a thick layer, don't be shy. Relax for 20-30 minutes as the mask works its magic. You may feel a slight tightening as it dries, this is normal. Rinse off with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions to exfoliate. Splash your face with cool water to close pores. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Enjoy the instant softness and glow. Make this a relaxing, spa-like ritual for yourself. Consistency is key. Regular use brings the best results. Now let's dive into why these ingredients work so well. Let's break down the science behind rice and olive oil. Rice is rich in ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant that shields skin from free radical damage. It also contains anti-inflammatory agents to calm redness and soothe sensitive skin. Inositol in rice boosts blood circulation, helping skin repair and regenerate for a brighter tone. The starch in rice gently exfoliates, revealing fresh new skin. Olive oil is packed with healthy fats, especially oleic acid, which deeply moisturizes and plumps the skin. Vitamin E in olive oil is a potent antioxidant and helps repair and protect skin. Polyphenols in olive oil reduce inflammation and puffiness. Olive oil strengthens your skin's barrier, locking in moisture. Together, these ingredients deliver hydration, protection, and gentle renewal. You're not just moisturizing, you're feeding your skin a cocktail of nutrients. This natural combo rivals expensive creams without the chemicals. That's why rice and olive oil are so effective for healthy, youthful skin. Let's talk about how often to use your new mask. You've tried the mask. How often should you use it? Consistency is key for real results. Use the rice and olive oil mask once or twice a week. This gives your skin time to absorb nutrients without overwhelming it. Adjust frequency based on your skin type. Dry skin may benefit from twice a week, oily skin from once. Listen to your skin and tweak the recipe if needed. Use the mask after cleansing, before serums or moisturizer. Regular use preps your skin to absorb other products better. Make it a relaxing ritual you look forward to. Over time, this consistency will transform your skin. Now let's set realistic expectations for your results. Let's talk about what you can expect from this natural mask. After your first use, your skin will feel softer, smoother, and more hydrated. You'll notice a healthy glow and temporarily plumper skin. With regular use over weeks, your skin tone may look brighter and more even. After a couple of months, fine lines, especially from dryness, may appear less noticeable. Your skin may feel firmer and more elastic. Results vary based on age, skin type, and lifestyle. Be patient. Natural skincare is a journey, not a quick fix. Celebrate small improvements, like increased softness and radiance. The most important result is healthier skin. Stick with it, and you'll see real, lasting benefits. Let's wrap up with a final word on embracing natural beauty. You're investing in your skin's long-term health. The secret of rice and olive oil is now yours. Wrinkles are part of your life story, but you can influence how that story is written. You don't need expensive products. Nature offers powerful solutions right in your kitchen. Caring for your skin with natural ingredients is an act of self-love. You now have the knowledge and recipe for a potent homemade anti-aging treatment. This is about more than erasing wrinkles. It's about connecting with your body and well-being. Healthy skin glows with a radiance no makeup can match. Make this natural skincare ritual a part of your self-care routine. Be patient and consistent. Natural beauty is a marathon, not a sprint. Every time you use this mask, you're investing in your skin's health. Embrace your story and help your skin look its best for the chapters ahead. You have the power to reveal your most beautiful, healthy skin. Thank you for joining me. Here's to your health and natural beauty. Be well.